Hello everyone, today will gonna be the last day that I'm going to do giveaways. And this time I'm going to give a sound effects giveaway instead of stick nodes giveaway. Don't worry, I'm still gonna give you guys some project or movie clips in my Discord server. The link will gonna be on the description below. Here's some example of the sound effects that I'm going to give. The link of the original animator will also gonna be on the description below. The sound effects will gonna be on Mediafire. The link is also gonna be in the description below. And also follow my Twitter and TikTok account. The link is also gonna in the description below. That's all of it. Bye.